Hey guys, I wanted to share with you a great little heated mask slash sleeping mask, and it is by a company called LC Dola, and this is the box that it comes in. Obviously, it's going to come with a user manual, but it's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. Now, they're going to include this little itty-bitty USB to USB Type-C cable here. This is how you're going to charge up the device. So it does have approximately about a 90-minute battery. That is going to depend on what heating setting you have on. So it does have 3 different heating options. On the low end, it does 116 degrees Fahrenheit. Middle is 127 degrees Fahrenheit, and on the high end, it is 138 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the masks themselves, it's got a 5 layers in here. It's like a memory foam, if you will. Very, very comfortable. It is pre-molded, which is one of the things I like about it. So that way, if you have super long eyelashes like I have, it's really comfortable to wear this because they're not being compressed while wearing it. Now, the downside of that is you're not getting as much heat directly on, but this space does warm up after a while. Now, it does have an adjustable strap on it, and as you can see, the controls are off to the side. You're simply going to hold it down to the top button, which is the power button, and then simply, once it turns on, it'll change color, and just tap it, and that's going to change the various settings. Whether it is the red is the hottest, then you have the green is the coolest, and then blue is in the middle. And then below that, you're going to have a little clock. Now, that clock is basically going to give you 3 different timer options. It has a 15-minute timer, a 20-minute timer, and a 30-minute timer. But very easy to utilize. And it immediately starts heating up. It gets nice and warm really fast. Full blackout. One of the things I like about it is it has the nice little ridge along the sides. So it fully blocks out all the light, which makes it great when utilizing it. It's not going to see any light leakage. Obviously, it's really comfortable around the nose. You can easily breathe, all that kind of stuff. Now, they also include just a standard, nether one that's perfect for sleeping. So if you don't want the heat and you don't want the controls on it, you don't have to. You can just simply use the one that's perfect for sleeping. This is absolutely amazing for taking on airplanes because the main heating one, it has more of a more adjustable, where this one is purely just Velcro. So it's even easier to take on and put off. And like I said, it is absolutely great for taking on airplanes. So that way you can get a little shut eye while utilizing it, but obviously you can utilize it in your bed as well. So overall, if you are in the market for a nice heated mask or just a simple sleeping mask, this is kind of like a 2-in-1 setup here. I totally recommend checking this one out.